Wow, you're welcome to the Rhemabotics math. So we have a problem before us. So we're going to do a very quick one to solve this problem. So we have 7x squared plus 33x minus 10. So we're going to get two numbers that we can add up to get this. That's 33, which is the coefficient of x. Then we are going to have two numbers that we can multiply to get the product of 7 and minus 10. So let's do that. Those two numbers, you have to think through to get them. So I've already got them for you, which is 35 and 2. So 7x squared plus 35x minus 2x minus 10. Okay, so 35 and 2 are the two numbers when you put them together, but you have to put a minus in front of the 2 so that 35 minus 2 can be equal to 33. Then 35 times minus 2 can be equal to the product of 7 and minus 10, because 7 times minus 10 is minus 70. Don't forget, 35 times minus 2 is minus 70. So that addition condition must be met, and the multiplication condition must be met. Those two numbers must meet those two conditions. So if it's not working, for example, you have 7 and 10 giving you minus 10 and minus 70, for example, let's say it's minus 7 and plus 10. You can multiply them and you're getting minus 70. But when you add them up, minus 7 plus 10, you're getting plus 3. So it's not working. You can see it can't give you plus 33. So I have to use two numbers that I can add up or put a subtraction in front of one of them to get the coefficient of x, which is 33. Then after meeting that addition condition, I have to multiply the 35 and the minus 2 to get minus 70. So now at this point we are going to factorize. We are going to take them in twos so that we can get our factors, because the question is one factor of. So out of the two factors we are going to get, we need to find out which of them is in the options. Okay, let's go. So we're going to take them step by step. So let's factorize the first one and factorize the second one. So I'm going to use a different color to do that. Okay, let me use a different color to just show you that you need to factorize this separately and also factorize this separately. Okay, so let's go. So for 7x squared plus 35x, the highest common factor here is 7x. So 7x will come outside the bracket. You put the bracket open, then you divide 7x squared by 7x, you get x. Please, you can go and look out for my factoring video, factorization video, and learn how to factorize. Yes, that means if you don't know how to factorize, I have a video I've already done. Go and look out for it and learn how to factorize. Then the next one is 35x over 7x. That will give us 5, just 5. Okay? As I said, if you're a bit confused with the way I did this factorization, go and look for my factorization video and learn the principles of factorization. Okay, so I've done the first part. Now the second part is minus 2x minus 10. Okay, so let's do that factorization quickly. So that will give us minus 2 is the highest common factor. So minus 2x over minus 2 divided by minus 2 will give us x. Then minus 10 x, yeah. So minus 10 divided by minus 2 will give us plus 5. Okay, so let me just give you a summary of what we have left. Okay, so this is what we have now. We have 7x bracket x plus 5 minus 2 bracket x plus 5. So this is what we have now. So what do we have as our factors? We have to take what is outside the brackets, which is 7 and minus 2. That's one factor. Then the second factor is x plus 5. So let's look at the options. And let's figure out which of the options is one of our factors. And the answer, if you look at it carefully, the answer is this, C. Okay, C is the answer, which is 7x. You can see Yeah, 7x minus 2. So thank you so much for being part of this, and see you next time as we solve more past questions. Thank you so much.